Hello everyone, we are very close to the start of F1 season. That's why today we are going to break the fire up. Melbourne is buzzing. The Australian Grand Prix officially kicks off the 2026 Formula One season. We're back at the iconic Albert Park circuit, 3.2 miles of pure adrenaline, 14 demanding corners, and zero room for error.
This isn't just another season. It's the dawn of a new era. The 2026 regulations have arrived. These cars are shorter, lighter, and more agile. But the real game changer is under the hood, a 50-50 power split between the internal combustion engine and electric battery. More efficiency, more strategy, and a massive challenge for the engineers. But today, we're putting ourselves to the test. We're firing up the grill to prepare the legendary Aussie burger. Are you ready? To fuel up for the race, we're engineering a masterpiece. For this crazy burger, we will need our high-performance lineup. High-quality ground beef, hand-pressed for maximum performance. No pre-made parts here. Eggs, cheddar cheese, bacon. And for the Aussie touch, pineapple and beetroot. So, let's rev those engines, get ready for the green light, and let's get this burger moving. Since we've already got the fire going, the first thing we're going to do is prep the beets. We're going to season them with olive oil and pepper. Then we'll wrap them in foil, and just like that, they go straight onto the fire for about 50 minutes. Now let's prepare our homemade burgers. Here's what you're going to need: 1 kilo of premium ground beef, salt to taste. Add seasoning as you like. I went with paprika and dried parsley. Now, we're going to add a bit of breadcrumbs and 1 egg and mix it well by hand to bring all the ingredients together. Once the mixture is nicely bound, our goal is 8 balls the size of your palm. The trick: just keep dividing the meat in half until you've got your 8 portions ready. Ready? It's lights out and away we go. So, before we start grilling, the first thing we need to do is pull the beets off the fire, and then let them cool down for a bit so we can handle them. Next step, before we launch the Aussie burger, let's prep the track. Give that griddle a good oiling so it's ready for the lineup. Place the patties on the hot griddle and give them a good smash. You want that perfect crust. Time to unwrap the beets. Peel them gently. They should be tender and ready for the podium. Back to the track, we're coming up on the last lap, and it's time to get those beets and pineapples golden brown. Flipping time. Give the patties, the pineapples, and those beets a quick turn. They're almost at the finish line. Spicing up the final lap, chili flakes on the pineapples. Time to bring in the bacon. Let it get extra crispy for that perfect finish. And now, the eggs. And there it is. The checkered flag is out. So good. See you at the next starting grid, China. And don't forget to subscribe.